Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Bianca and I live in New York City. It's a Sunday and it's a pretty chill Sunday. I actually deep cleaned my washer and dryer. I haven't deep cleaned that machine in so long and it was like very much well needed. And then what else did I do? I went grocery shopping. So the plan is we're gonna go out for a walk. I didn't go work out today. So we're gonna go out for a walk, hit Chelsea Market. I wanna get a coffee, but it's 3. Maybe we can get a matcha, go to the Chelsea Market, and then we'll come back and make some dinner. I didn't work out today, so we'll get this walk in and make it my workout. I'm sure I'll hit like 10,000 steps just going there and back. Okay, so I just took my dog out. He's a wet dog right now because it's pretty gloomy out. But I'm letting my phone charge a little bit so we can go. And I'll take you guys along with me. This is my dog, Kobe. Say hi, Kobe. Say hi. He really needs a bath and a haircut. I think the last time I gave him a haircut was in December. And then, or was it January? I can't remember. So actually it wasn't that long, but he needs just a little trim around his eyes. I was letting my phone charge a little bit. It is at 40%. I think that'll get us to Chelsea Market and back. Also, look at the cute flowers my parents got me for Valentine's Day. They're so pretty. Still am a huge flower girl, but I used to get flowers all the time for my apartment, and I haven't gotten flowers in months. And these flowers just make my apartment look so cute and alive that I don't know why I haven't gotten flowers or fresh flowers in so long. Got a raspberry vanilla matcha. It's really good. These blankets are so cute. I love this one. I would shop and walk around more, but I really have to pee. I rushed home because I had to pee so bad. My walk back wasn't that enjoyable. For dinner, we are making chicken Orzo soup. I think that's what it's called. I got this recipe from the Clean Eating Couple. It's called lemon chicken soup. I forgot to get lemons. Whatever. We're not gonna use lemons. The pot. Garlic and onion, carrots, and celery. I had this garlic, minced garlic for a while, so I'm really just trying to use it up, but I know that fresh garlic tastes so much better. But since I already have a jar, to make it easier and quicker for me, I'm just gonna use this. Next, some oil. That. I think that is good enough. I think this is one of those recipes where it just doesn't have to be perfect. You kind of just throw everything and then it all works out. Add this to the pot now. I'm just gonna add half a lime. I'm so hungry and I can't wait to eat this. So now I'm gonna light a candle. I got this candle from Bloomingdale's around Christmas time. It has like, I don't know why it smells like a spicy, kind of like a spicy margarita. But I love the way it smells. But it's definitely different than all the scents that I normally reach for in a candle. So this one's fun. It was a little pricey, but I remember the girl, the sales associate, she was like a younger girl. And she was so nice, and she was like helping me look for a scent. And I was kind of just looking, but she was just so nice to me that I just felt bad to like not get anything. So I ended up getting this one, and then I also loved how this was pink. So once I'm done with the candle, I can reuse it for something. I'm going to take a shower now. When I went to Sephora, I bought this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day High Shine Gloss. I got a perm very randomly the beginning of this year, and I fully regret it. I don't know what I was thinking, that I thought that I was going to wake up with cute curly hair every single morning and I would do like half up, half downs, and it was going to be like the cutest, easiest hairstyle ever. No, curly hair is so much work, and I didn't realize how much work curly hair is. Also, it just like really frizzes up my hair. I'm just not used to myself with curly hair too, so I feel like a different person. I don't feel like myself. I regret it, and I want my normal hair back, but there's no way to really undo a perm. So I've been doing just a bunch of, it's gotten better, and like I sometimes love it, like it, but sometimes, I mean most of the time, I want my normal hair back. I'm also a nighttime shower person, so I love to shower at night, do my hair at night, and with curly hair, I've noticed you have to shower in the morning to style it in the morning, because I've styled it I've styled it at night once, and when I go to bed, I just wake up with poofy hair, so it doesn't work for me. I don't know if it works for anybody, but it just really dried up my hair. I've had a perm before though, when I was in high school and I was a lifeguard, and I loved it then. But I don't know why I'm just not loving it, and most of the time that's why I have my hair slicked back. So I've been doing just a bunch of hair masks, and since I got the perm, my hair has been looking a little dull, so I thought this might help and smooth it out in some way. So we'll see how this works out and see if I recommend it to you guys, but I'm pretty excited to try it. Out of the shower, kind of want to do a little gua sha. I don't do this often. I only do it when I remember. I got a really big sweet tooth and wanted some cookies. I was looking through my Uber Eats and ordered Chip City. They had this, I guess, limited edition cookie. That's the SNL 50th show or 50th anniversary or something like that. It was a hamburger and I thought it was so freaking cute. You need to see the video that I posted on TikTok. I have it linked down below. But it was so cute, except it wasn't good. It was too plain. And the one cookie that I thought I wasn't gonna like, I ended up really loving, which is the pink velvet cinnamon roll cookie. I have a bit of a mixed review on the gloss that I told you guys that I was going to use. So I didn't notice too much of a difference in my hair when I blow dried it. It wasn't until I straightened my hair, and my hair definitely feels a lot softer, smoother, and I feel like it almost has a tiny bit of a gloss. I think if you have normal hair and not damaged perm hair, I think the gloss would work really well. It feels really nice once I straighten it, but I was really just hoping that my hair would look better, not feel as frizzy like when I blow dried it without straightening it. I did not need the perm. I actually love using it more in the morning. I feel like it actually gives me more of like an awake face in the morning. I don't always have time in the morning or always forget. Oh my god, it's so dark. So spooky. I wanted to make myself a tea, but I just brushed my teeth and I don't want to brush them again. It's already 11. I don't know where the time went. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, Sunday vlog with me. Oh, somebody else wants to say bye. Say bye, Gabby. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!